I'm going to show you how simple it is in reconnecting your travel trailer back up to your towing vehicle. This is a 2024 Flagstaff 832 DBS. It's about 37 feet long. But first, what you want to do is locate your touchpad and you want to turn on the power. And once you turn on the power, you want to go to the left here and you want to hit the arrow up button till you get to auto hitch. And once you get to auto hitch, you hit the enter. And I'm going to explain to you once you hit the enter what's happening. And everything is displayed on your display pad. First thing what it's going to do is going to retract your rear leveling jacks. So those are going to be retracted. And I didn't speed this video up or slowed it down or anything. This is the actual time it takes. So it is retracting that rear leveling jacks. And the reason why it's doing that, because if you go and try to raise the tongue jack up, it's going to put a lot of pressure on that tongue jack and the rear jacks, and you may cause some damage. So the next thing what it's going to do when we're looking at this display, it shows everything on the display. As you can see, it's still retracting the rear. The next thing it's going to do is go to the tongue jacks. You see the tongue jack, it says still right rear is still being raised, and it's going to do analyzing here in a second. And once it's do the analyzing, it's going to go to the tongue jack, as you're going to see on the display. You see, now it's extending the tongue jack. So it's raising it up a little bit, probably trying to get it level again. And then the next step it's going to do is going to retract the front leveling jacks. You see right here, is doing analyzing. Now it says front, so it's retracting the front. I'm gonna show you right here. You see the front is being retracted, and once the front is retracted all the way up, what it's gonna do after that is gonna go back to the tongue jack and raise it to the height that it was before you took it off the truck. So when we hit the auto leveling, when we disconnected it, that means that the jack was above the ball. So what it's going to do now is going to raise it back up to that level. As you're going to see, it's still retracting the front, right front. Now it's going to go back to the tongue jack, as you're going to see right here. So now it's raising that tongue jack back to the height of where you disconnected your truck from. So the only thing you have to do is just back it up and lower it into place and connect everything. I'm gonna show you this display again. As you can see right here, it's adjusting the height of the tongue jack, and it's taking a few seconds because I had mine up high when I removed my truck. And once it's done, you can back your truck up. If you need to lower it or raise it, you could just use the tongue jack button to retract or extend. See, it's done now. The only thing you have to do is hit the power button, turn it off, back your truck up, hook everything up, and you are good. So I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.